Welcome to Gelous Nail Art. We are going to be doing another Halloween nail art look with a chrome nail and blood tips. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply one thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You do not need to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail and cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can apply 1 to 2 thin coats of your builder gel, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of blackout, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe the nail with a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover. Rub silver mirror chrome powder in circular motions onto your nail using the chrome powder application sponge. Dust off excess using the Gelous dust brush. Using Bloodlust and your dotting tool, dot 2 dots, one higher than the other. Using Bloodlust and your thin nail art brush, paint 2 lines up the nail starting from the dots. Join the lines together by painting a swirled French tip. You will want to fill this in. If you have room, you can add an extra blood drip to your nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe nails clean if needed. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize.